Money and Memories Entertainment.
We're in Columbus, Ohio. We're at the BOMA for the Sleigh Bells show. I'm about to dress up like Alexis from Sleigh Bells. It's gonna pop off, pretty much. She's got to do my makeup right now.
You gonna do like his eyes? He's gonna be wearing tights and everything?
Tights. There's tights.
You have a wig too?
Wigs bought, though.
Wow. Wow. Okay.
In all its glory.
He wasn't lying. Oh my God.
It's really, really real.
This young man is supposed to be her. The lip. Oh, he got the fucking eyes.
Yeah, she did it. So, as she would do it.
Look at this. This is too much.
Got my spaceman over here. Backstage Galactic.
And a Galactic. You know, when we did the NASA show, a dude had that on, and he had the little backpack full of Tang.
Oh.
Where did he find Tang? Yeah, this is about to be too much for me. This is about to be too much.
Rock and roll shows, let them know, man.
It's not even rock though. It's not even rock though. It's rock cat. It's like cat rock. Everybody say what up? Hey, Rico. Please, no. We need to come up with a keyboard stand. Do you know it's the official film of Marvel?
That room is sweet.
Come up with a keyboard stand. Oh yeah, because it's like a road.
Think you can pull your car in here?
Look at Chad when he going to
Let's check his new shoes out, man.
Oh,
Check his
yeah.
new shoes out.
He did get those courtesy of Money Moves Entertainment.
Were you able to find this text?
Keyboard stand?
You need a keyboard stand?
Keyboard.
I got a keyboard stand now.
Are you going to be going to get that?
I can.
Yeah, I'll set you off.
Oh, yeah?
Easy as shit.
What is it?
I like the way you work.
AA batteries.
Oh.
Damn.
I mean, I don't mean to alarm you.
I'm not used to that kind of hard shit, so.
He said.
Double A battery.
Oh, God, I hate being on here.
You want me to, so I'm going to get the keyboard stand?
You see it, man.
Rock shows.
We're doing rock shows now. Please don't be mad at us. We working hard. Switching over. Ask Avi.
Sir Avi in the building.
Avi don't like to be on camera either. Look. Avi don't like to be on camera either.
Derek.
What up, Reed?
Another half of Money and Memories, man. Sleigh Bells. This is what we do.
Go ahead and let us know what's going on tonight right now.
We're in the bathroom right now. Basically sold out. I've never seen BOMA packed like this. I'm a little drunk.
I'm a little drunk.
You guys just such a dick. It's the bathroom, so that's why they did that. Anyways, there's lines everywhere, even where you try to look for single alcohol. Peace to Royal Columbus, Money and Memories Entertainment. Alexander, I'm drunk, but I still respect you and I'm thinking about you. This man taught me about you. I don't know.
Yes, sir. Good luck. Good luck.
Royal Columbus, Money and Memories, Sleigh Bells, real deal. You see by the fucking graffiti on the wall that this ain't no joke. This is the way we do it in Columbus. We bring heads, we bring people, we bring good music. Hotel War rocked it out tonight. Johnny Cashola ended up. My boy Dwight getting this footage. That's how you do it, man. Straight up love music and hip hop.
Hip hop, great music.
TC, smoking section, man.
Down here in the backstage, having a good time. You see it. Having a good time. You see Rico coming down the steps right now. Yeah.
What up? Can't fuck with it.
That's a dope poster too.
I'm actually trying to find some
GOD 101E in the building.
Hey, what's up? This is Alexis from Sleigh Bells. Just wanted to say thank you. We had an amazing night. It was fucking awesome. So shout out to Money, Memories, Entertainment, and fucking Royal Columbus. Peace.
Peace.
Money and Memories Entertainment.